Hey, my favorite second and third grade 21st centuryers. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and finding things to do. We are going to do a reading comprehension today. So take a second to go get a piece of paper and a pencil. Remember, you're going to bring your work back with you and you're going to be able to earn points. You get 1 point for trying and 2 points for getting the correct answer. Okay? So once you have your paper and pencil, we can get going. Let's talk about why healthy muscles matter. You're going to have 2 questions you're going to be listening for. How many muscles are in the human body, and what do healthy muscles help you to enjoy? Are you ready? Did you know you have more than 600 muscles in your body? These muscles help you move, lift things, pump blood through your body, and even help you breathe. When you think about your muscles, you probably think most about the ones you can control. These are your voluntary muscles, which means you can control their movements. They are also called skeletal muscles because they attach to your bones and work together with your bones to help you walk, run, pick up things, play an instrument, throw a baseball, kick a soccer ball, push a lawnmower, or ride a bike. The muscles of your mouth and throat even help you talk. Keeping your muscles healthy will help you to be able to walk, run, jump, lift things, play sports, and do all the other things you love to do. Exercising, getting enough rest, and eating a balanced diet will help you keep your muscles healthy for life. Why healthy muscles matter to you? Healthy muscles let you move freely and keep your body strong. Healthy muscles let you move freely and keep your body strong. They help you to enjoy playing sports, dancing, walking the dog, swimming, and other fun activities. And they help you do those other not so fun things that you have to do, like making your bed, vacuuming the carpet, or mowing the lawn. Strong muscles also help to keep your joints in good shape. If the muscles around your knee, for example, get weak, you may be more likely to injure that knee. Strong muscles also help you to keep your balance, so you are less likely to slip or fall. And remember, the activities that make your skeletal muscles strong will also keep your heart muscles strong too. Different kinds of muscles have different jobs. The skeletal muscles can be are connected to your bones by tough cords of tissues called tendons. As the muscle contracts, it pulls on the tendon, which moves the bone. Bones are connected to other bones by ligaments, which are like tendons and help hold your skeletal together. Smooth muscles are called involuntary muscles since you have no control over them. Smooth muscles work in your digestive system to move food along and push waste out of your body. They can also help keep your eyes focused without you even having to think about it. Cardiac muscle. Did you know that your heart is also a muscle? It is a specialized type of involuntary muscle. It pumps blood through your body, changing its speed to keep up with the demands you put on it. It pumps more slowly when you're sitting or lying down, and faster when you're running or playing sports. And your skeletal muscles need more blood to help them do their work. Nice work, guys. So, go back and think about these 2 questions. Do you remember how many muscles are in the human body? And what are some of the things that your healthy muscles can help you do that you enjoy doing? All right? Once you have your answer, keep your paper and make sure you bring it back, all right? I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.